Geekbench, an internet benchmarking website, has released new performance specifications for Samsung's future devices. The most recent listing contains the budget-friendly Galaxy S24, which has 8 GB of RAM and an Exynos 2400 chipset that runs on single-core and multi-core in 2011. Earlier, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 powered Galaxy S24 Ultra achieved 2234 single-core and 6807 multi-core benchmarks. The Exynos and Snapdragon's performances aren't quite comparable in this way, given its compact size and the thermal constraints it places on the chipset, a problem that the bigger S24 Ultra can mitigate. It is reasonable to predict that the S24 will have the lowest benchmark score of all the devices in the portfolio. The Samsung community's fears are justified by the historical differences between Exynos and Snapdragon. Few months remain until the Galaxy S24 handset is released, giving Samsung's engineers ample opportunity to fine-tune the device's performance and optimization. This is crucial because many Samsung enthusiasts will be disappointed that the Galaxy S24 will ship in several regions with the Exynos 2400 chipset as the only option. The Qualcomm Snapdragon alternative, which was offered on earlier Galaxy S handsets, demonstrated higher performance and longer battery life. Many Samsung consumers felt pressured to choose a handset with subpar performance since each retail location offered just one choice. With the announcement of the Exynos 2400 earlier this month, Samsung will mix up the silicon flavors for the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus in 2024. In contrast to 2023 when the Galaxy S23, S23 Plus, and S23 Ultra ship only with Snapdragon, assuring uniform performance globally. It is anticipated that Snapdragon will be the only processor available when the top-tier Galaxy S24 Ultra ships. If Samsung can adjust the devices to exhibit performance comparable to that of Snapdragon and handset, these pre-release benchmarks might have a big impact on the Galaxy S24 messaging. This would give consumers a chance to rethink their expectations about the various handset combinations. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.